Welcome to 10 Car Channel, your trusted place for the latest cars, trucks, and future machines. If you love powerful pickups and off-road beasts, make sure you subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications, because today we are diving deep into one of the most exciting trucks of the future, the 2026 Toyota Tacoma Trailhunter. The 2026 Toyota Tacoma Trailhunter is not just another pickup truck, it is a purpose-built off-road monster designed for serious adventurers. From the moment you look at it, you can tell this truck is made to dominate rough terrain. The front design looks bold and aggressive, with a strong grille, sharp LED headlights, and a muscular stance that instantly commands attention. Toyota has clearly focused on making the Trailhunter look rugged, premium, and ready for extreme exploration. Under the hood, the Tacoma Trailhunter is expected to come with Toyota's advanced Force Max hybrid powertrain. This setup combines a turbocharged engine with an electric motor, delivering impressive horsepower and massive torque. What makes this special is not just the power, but how smoothly it is delivered. Whether you are crawling over rocks, climbing steep hills, or cruising on the highway, the Trailhunter offers strong performance with better fuel efficiency than traditional trucks. One of the biggest highlights of the 2026 Tacoma Trailhunter is its factory-installed off-road upgrades. Toyota has partnered with ARB, a well-known off-road specialist, to equip this truck with serious gear. You get heavy-duty steel skid plates to protect vital components, reinforced suspension tuned for extreme conditions, and all-terrain tires that provide excellent grip on mud, sand, and rocks. This truck is built for people who don't want to modify their pickup after buying it. It comes trail-ready straight from the showroom. The suspension system is designed to handle harsh environments with ease. It absorbs bumps smoothly while keeping the truck stable and controlled. Ground clearance is generous, allowing the Tacoma Trailhunter to tackle obstacles without hesitation. Whether you're exploring deep forests, deserts, or mountain trails, this pickup feels confident and capable. Inside the cabin, Toyota has blended toughness with modern comfort. The interior feels durable yet refined, perfect for long adventures. High-quality materials, supportive seats, and smart storage solutions make the cabin practical and comfortable. The large touchscreen infotainment system supports the latest connectivity features, including smartphone integration, navigation, and off-road specific displays. These displays help drivers monitor terrain angles, traction, and vehicle performance in real time.